Look, if you're still young or still student and you're doing 9 to 5 job that you hate, this video is gonna help you because I'm gonna give you some advices that you're gonna hear for the first time in your life. First of all, I'm gonna try to sit there and I'm gonna explain everything to you because I was student just like you. This video is not to drop off of school, okay? So, yeah, welcome. Let's sit there. Let's sit. I'm gonna explain everything to you. So yeah, the problem is I was student just like you. I was student in Laval University. I was doing engineering mechanics, and as I said, this video is not to drop off school because I got graduated as a mechanical engineer. But mechanical engineer was I was thinking first. I was thinking that if I'm a mechanical engineer, everyone is gonna respect me because I'm gonna be an engineer. The society is gonna respect me. I'm gonna make a lot of money. But the reality is not that. I was graduated from Laval University in Canada, and I stopped studying. If you check my previous videos when I was talking about making money online, so when I was student in Laval University, I was doing kind of online job because I'm not kind of person who's gonna try to work for others. Because if you like your job, if you are studying to be an architect, lawyer, a job that's gonna make you millions per year or millions in your career, that's great. But as an engineer, is just gonna earn kind of $5,000 per month. That's not so good. That's not for me because I'm not kind of person that like uh, being directed by people. You're gonna do this. No, you just have 15 minutes of break. Oh, you exceeded 2 minutes of doing your job. That's not for me. And the purpose of this video, what you're gonna need to be prepared of, because now the layoff rate is increasing. The layoff rate is increasing, and as my employees, I try to pick the best employees. So your chance to get a good job is 10 to 0 because now everyone is outsourcing with the internet, etc. Everyone is outsourcing products, everyone is outsourcing jobs, and it's going to be so difficult for you to find a great job for your career. So if you want to live a better life, profit from the sun, and make millions or become a millionaire, you're gonna need to think of your career. Now, making money online is an easy mode. All what you're gonna need is internet, your smartphone or your laptop, and you can do a lot of things. Now you have the language, and mainly if you're based in an English-speaking country like Canada, USA, Australia, or UK, you have already 50% of the success because you already speak in English, because English is the language of the world and the language of business. And this is what I'm gonna do. So now you're gonna ask me, what should I do? All what you're gonna need to do, you can create an online store, you can do drop shipping, buy product for a cheap price and resell it for a profit. There is stock market, there are job servicing where you can create an online store or website where you're going to sell services, but you're going to outsource it. For example, you take a project for $10,000, you're going to outsource it for a cheap country like here in Morocco or elsewhere in India, Pakistan. You're going to give them just 1,000 or 2,000, and you're going to get the left over as a profit. You can do that. That's easy. It's in easy mode. You can also try to invest in kind of offline business. For example, here in Morocco, there is a World Cup soccer that's coming in 2030. And now I'm trying to buy apartments here to rent to people because this is a big competition happening just once every 4 years. So yeah, you are educated, you're studying, you're working hard, but you're gonna need to work smart. Now we are on Monday, everyone is going to work. As you can see here, the place is empty, there is no people here. I'm sitting in 5-star hotels here in the 10th floor. The beach is just in front of me and it's wonderful. So yeah, you're not prepared for what's gonna come in next. In the next 10 years, it's gonna be so difficult for every graduated student to find their dream job. This is my prediction. So yeah, if you have the motivation, I mean, if you are young, if you probably have the money or without any money, you can start your online dream. And I'm giving you those advices for free. Now I'm giving you those advices for free. People are paying me to make a business successful. They are paying me to pay for coaching program or consultation. And now I'm doing this kind of YouTube videos to give you free advices. Okay? Like you saw, I'm CEO of Scope Team, which is Shopify agency. I sell kind of digital products. You can also think of creating a digital product. Now it's easy. With just $500, $700, you can pay the developer to create a digital product. You're going to create a website around it and you can market it for free on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever, wherever. You have the brain. Now you have the time, you're young, and you have the brain. All what you're going to need to do is to make money. Those who make money, they're not smarter than you. They don't work harder than you, but they work smart. They don't work just hard, but they work smart. I used to work hard. When I was in Canada, I was doing all kind of student job, cleaning houses, cleaning restaurants. I was working as a waiter, as a dishwasher, everything that you can imagine. I was doing it. But I was smart. I was working online. If you could check this video, I started with eBay. I started with selling all stuff I can gather on my student room, and this is how my e-commerce journey started. I'm not successful because I was born successful. No one has helped me, nor my parents, nor the government, no one, nor my family, no one, no friends, nothing. I started with nothing. And this video is not to tell you to drop off school. Don't drop off school. You're gonna get educated, you're gonna be smarter than the other people. So yeah, this is my advice to you. Be prepared, guys. If you love your career, if you love what you're studying, for example, you're studying to be a doctor, go for it. If you're studying to be in sociology, I recommended you to grab your career. That's my advice to you. Yeah. So yeah, and when I was outside, someone told me, "You're 40 years old. You look younger than your actual age." And my secret is easy: make money. It's like a mathematic equation. I make money. Money give me happiness, and happiness make me look younger. If you wanna get more about me, why I'm 40 years old and I look younger than my age, check out this video here. Till the next video, guys. Peace.